byddaf yn argymell i'w fawrydu y dillid penodi Rhun ap Iorwerth yn prif weinidog. Rwy'n gwahodd Rhun ap Iorwerth i anerch y Senedd.
Wel, diolch i chi gyd. Diolch yn fawr llywydd yn gyntaf, a llongyfarchiadau gwresog i chi ar gael eich ethol i'r rôl ac i'r dirprwy lywydd hefyd. Dwi'n gwybod fod lles ag enw da yn Senedd ni yn bethau sydd yn agos iawn at eich calon chi ac y byddwch chi yn geidwad a chenad teilwng i gartref ein democratiaeth. Diolch i chi. Braint fy mywyd i ydy cael fy ethol yn brif weinidog ar y genedl sy'n golygu cymaint i mi. Dwi'n dechrau ar y daith yn wylaidd, yn ddyledus i gefnogaeth a chariad fy nheulu sydd yma heddiw, a fy mam sydd â'i dylanwad arna i gymaint ag erioed, ac i ffrindiau a chydweithwyr. A dwi yn ysu i addalu yr ymddirieddaeth mae pobl Cymru wedi roi ynddo ni ac i wireddu y newid y mae pobl wedi datgan mor glir y maen nhw am ei weld. Ond yn gyntaf, dwi am dalu teyrnged i'n rhagflaenydd yn yr ôl hon. Efo gwitnwch a phenderfynoldeb, mi liwiodd eluned ei llywodraeth a'i chenedl yn frwdfrydig ac yn falch bob amser. Fel tad i ddwy ferch, dwi'n diolch iddi hi am chwalu y nenfwd gwydr, a thrwy hynny ysbrydoli merched ifanc yng Nghymru a thu hwnt. Diolch i ti, eluned. I would also like to congratulate party leaders, Jane Dodds, Darren Miller and Ken Skates on their re-election. I know they will bring the same energy and passion to proceedings in the 7th Senedd as they did in the last. To our colleagues in the Green Party, we applaud you on your historic breakthrough and look forward to a new era of ensuring that plurality pays dividends for the people of Wales. And of course, let me congratulate Dan Thomas and the Reform UK group on securing what will no doubt prove to be a formidable presence in the chamber and one that promises to keep the government on its toes. I'll always welcome scrutiny. And using my words tentatively here, let me say I look forward to our weekly sessions of First Minister's questions. I guess I will learn soon enough whether asking them was, in fact, much more fun than answering them. But that is why our democracy is to be cherished. A free and fair election, followed by the opportunity to form an administration in a peaceful and orderly manner, before being held to account for our record of governing. A privilege denied to so many around the world, and one we must never take for granted. Llywydd, something has stirred in the soul of Wales. A new confidence, a new hope, a new broader horizon, never to be narrowed again by the naysayers with other priorities in other places. From this historic moment onwards, every person in every part of our nation can know that the government of Wales is their government, And they will know that their government does not and will not impose on itself or on our citizens any limits on what our nation can achieve. And my promise to everyone is that I will lead without prejudice or presumption. I'll never take this privilege for granted, nor will my principles be burdened by power. Because the challenges we face are too many in number and too grave in nature for us to lose sight of what is at stake. The need to take decisive action to bring down waiting lists and to put health and care and our treasured NHS on a more sustainable footing for the future. An opportunity to make a real difference to the lives of those children across Wales who woke up to poverty this morning, and to ease the punishing cost of living crisis for families, to give every child the skills they need to thrive through a renewed focus on standards in education, and to unleash our economic potential by backing businesses and creating jobs in all parts of Wales. Mi fydd llywodraeth Plaid Cymru yma I wasanaethu pawb, ym mhob cymuned, yn drefol a gwledig, yn hen ac ifanc, pryn ein siarad Cymraeg a'i peidio. Yma erioed neu newydd un plith. De, dwyrain, gorllewin, gogledd. Lle mae yna dir cyffredin, mi nawn ni bob ymdrech i'w ganfod o. A lle mae anhegwch ac anghyfiawnder yn bygwth gwead ein gwlad, mi drown ni'r genhadaeth o garedigrwydd a goddefgarwch yn gynhaliaeth i'r rhai sydd fwyaf ei angen. Gwynllan a roddwyd i'n gofal, ac mi ofalwn amdani yn enw pawb sydd wedi mynd o'n blaenau ag mwyn pawb ddaw ar ein hôl. Llywydd, I will end with this. When compassion is backed by the courage to act, and when recognition of our potential today meets a collective aspiration to secure a better tomorrow, that is when our nation's voice will sing the loudest. That is how we know that our best days lie ahead of us. That is how we know that together we can and will build a fairer, more ambitious Wales for all. That work starts now. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi gyd.